Now, if you flip it on the back, we have some part whole. So we need to look and see if it's what the important numbers are, and then if we're adding or subtracting. So look at the first one. Ned found 7 rocks at the park. He found 5 more at the beach. How many does he have in all? So that means we're going to add. We're going to add 7 and 5. So boys and girls, if you do 7 plus 5, what is the answer? Good, the answer is 12. That's the whole. Okay, next problem. There are 3 cats on the fence. 3 more cats come. How many are on the fence now? Boys and girls, do you think we're going to add or are we going to subtract? You're right, we're going to add. So my 2 parts are 3 and 3. Now this is a pretty easy one because this is doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. Number 3, Sally had 8 toys. She gave 2 away. How many are left? If I'm doing left, that's a subtraction word. So I know the whole. The whole is the biggest number. What is it? It's 8. And what is one of my parts? 2. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. And that's my missing part. Okay. Mike has 8 baseball cards. Jake gave him 8 more. How many does he have in all? So there's that word again, in all. That means we're going to add our 2 parts, which are 8 and 8. So using our double strategy, what is 8 plus 8? It's 16. Nice job. Okay, we have 2 more. There are 14 birds in a tree and 6 birds fly away. How many are left? Okay, the word left we learned up on number 3 is a subtraction. So our whole is 14. One of the parts is 6. So 14 minus 6. Go ahead and use your number line. Use your number line to help you solve this problem. What's the answer? 8. Good. Last one. 6 kids ate a snack during recess. 7 kids ate a small snack. How many kids ate a snack during recess? What do you think we're going to do? Add or subtract? Yep, we're going to add. So we know our 2 parts. 6 plus 7. Use your near double strategy. And if you use the near double strategy, what is the answer? The answer is 13. Very good, boys and girls. Show your teacher and then do what she would have you do next. Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to be kind of seeing what you've learned by seeing if you can write the times on the clocks. So the first one, if you look, it's at the 9 and the 12. So if it's at the 9 and the 12, then it is 9 o'clock. So we're going to write 9 o'clock. Then on the second one, you can see that the little hand is pointing to the 6 and the big hand is pointing to the 12. So that's going to be 6 o'clock. Okay? Now the next one has the pointing between the 2 and the 3. So it's not to the 3 yet, so it's 2:30. And the same thing on the next one, it's between the 5 and the 6. So it's not to the 6 yet, so it's 5:30. Okay, so looking at the next one, if the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11, what is this one going to be? Yeah, it's going to be 10:30. Very good. What do you think the next clock is? It's 2 o'clock. Very good. Next one, if the minute hand is pointing to the 12, we know that's going to be o'clock. And what is the hour pointing to? 8 o'clock. Very good. Now look at the next one. It's between the 9 and the 10. So if it's halfway between, what is it going to be? 9:30. Very good. Now on the strawberries, we're going to draw the time on the clock. So we're going to draw 5 o'clock. And on the next strawberry, it's halfway between the 12 and the 1. and then pointing at the 6. And at the last one, it's halfway between 2 and 3 and pointing at the 6.